We have a Dell Alienware M15 R3 that needs the battery replaced. Alright, so first thing you do, and we're going to unscrew around the edges here. We're going to pry that up. We're going to disconnect the battery here. And then we have a couple screws in the battery that have to come out. Alright, we're going to make sure it's the right battery. We're going to looks good. Then we're going to pull this one out. And we have to move the cable from this. You have to move this cable from this one to this battery. Alright, and when we see we have little tabs there. When we put the back on, just make sure you slide the tabs under. And then screw it back in and you're all done.